Hi everyone, I want to introduce our Boyshort cotton panties. They are very breathable and stretchy, which makes them super comfortable for all day comfort, whether you're going out and having fun with your friends or lounging about in your house. It comes with a wide crotch that is double layered, which is great for hygiene purposes. It doesn't have an irritating seam, so it works out great for skirts and for slacks. And it covers the butt, so it adds a nice little lift to it as well. It comes in sizes small to 6 extra large. This is a large, and as you can tell, it goes a pretty long way. All of our underwear is modified for each and every different woman, so that way it's comfortable for all of you. If you're like me and you don't like to wear other colors besides black, we actually do offer an all black only package available. So go ahead, check it out and buy now. Thanks for watching.